Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, we're going to be experimenting how to clean radiator coolant without draining and flushing the entire system. So I'm going to be using one of these fuel filter and connect it on a return line of the radiator reservoir for a few days. If you guys remember on my previous video, I used radiator cleaner and flushed the system many times till the water got clear and filled the system with new antifreeze. Because this car being in an accident and they filled the radiator with tap water, I had to clean so much rust, but some of the rust still lived there. So after a few days of flushing and filling the system with new coolant, the coolant changed color to dark red. So my idea is with using filter like this, the coolant will enter here, fills the cup and then goes through the filter, separating rust or any small particles and then goes back to radiator reservoir. So these fuel filters used on low pressure fuel line on a carbureted engines. So we're gonna need a filter like this, 2 hose clamps and a piece of hose that fits on your radiator reservoir return line. So we're gonna be connecting radiator return line here and this hose back to radiator reservoir. I'm gonna mark the arrow so it's easy for you guys to know the direction how I will install it on the coolant line. Coolant enters here, fills the cup, goes through the filter and goes back to radiator reservoir. So the first thing we can do, make sure the engine cold to touch before opening radiator cap. The reason I will open the radiator cap first to release any pressure, otherwise it will push some coolant out when I remove the return line hose. Take a note, every car's coolant system doesn't have this circulating line. For example, Toyota Camry has only one hose. It's for coolant expansion. When the coolant heats up, it will expand and it will push some coolant back to the reservoir to balance the pressure before blowing any hoses. And when there is vacuum in a system, it will pull some coolant back to the system. So the coolant not circulating in this kind of system. So installing filter like this won't work on a system like this. I think the best way to connect the filter on the return line, back up the return hose a little bit. Let's cut the hose in half here. Using hose clamp is important because when the engine warms up, the cooling system will be pressurized. So it's important not to blow out any coolant. We just need to tighten this hose clamp on the outlet of the filter. Alright, next let's remove the return hose. The hose is bigger than the filter inlet, so I'm gonna insert the hose like this, so it will be a tight fit and not leaking coolant. Alright, the last thing, we're gonna put the other end of the hose on the reservoir and tighten the clamp. Alright, the coolant level is correct, I'm gonna put the cap back on. After checking all the hoses, I'm gonna start the engine. Okay, I'm gonna drive the car for 2 days. Let's see if it can filter the coolant and separate some rust. Alright, it's been after 2 days of driving with the filter. Let's see if it filtered some rust, even though it's been flushed not long ago. The filter holds some rust only with 2 days. I wonder how much it will filter for a month. So I did the reverse procedure how I installed the filter for removing the filter and putting the hose back on the reservoir. So I'm gonna drain the coolant and cut the filter in half so you have a better idea how much rust being filtered only in 2 days. It's not that much if you think about it, but I used cleaner and flushed the system not long ago, and after that filtering that much is a good result in my opinion. So filtering rust like this will definitely extend water pump life and prevent having stuck closed or open thermistor valve. I have some more ideas using these filters for upcoming videos, but this one definitely working. Hope you guys enjoy the experiment. If you have any question regarding this video, let me know in the comment section below. As always, thanks for tuning in, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.